Okay, hi guys. I'm doing a P on pound yen counter trend sell. But in hindsight, I think like this is quite a bad trade, I would say, because as you can see that there's a refresh over here on a higher time frame, and price actually emptied the barrel and took out this trap level over here. The one thing I noticed is that since price already have emptied the barrel and it took out, why did it range over here? So maybe I was thinking like actually maybe the price need to is going to have a pullback to maybe this SNR area over here before continuing the trend. So in today's the New York, the US CPI news came out, and I saw that the price actually broke down very strong with very high volume. I was thinking to actually took a temporary sell maybe to this level, but uh about this level over here, I'll say. So when price retrace back to the this SNR area, actually enter a sell position over here with target maybe just slightly below here, this level. uh like riding on the momentum of this sell, but price just quickly reverse and just took me out. So in hindsight, I think for now I shouldn't do any counter trend trade. Like I would say is maybe for the future, but not for now, where we are still learning to be consistent and profitable. So it's probably easier to develop the patience to wait and just trade the trend pullback. That's one thing. Yeah, that's the main mistake of this trade right here. So stick to trend pullback and stop doing counter trend trades.